Hi everybody, welcome back to Bariatric Beauty and Finishing School. My name's Kelsey, and today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. Dating after weight loss surgery. So you'll have to forgive me, I made some notes in my amazing little planner here. So let's get started. Maybe you lived your whole life overweight, or maybe this was something that came up in your adult years. Maybe you're married, maybe you're not. Maybe you had no problem getting boyfriends or girlfriends, and maybe you did. The thing that happens after we have weight loss surgery is not only a physical transformation, it's also an emotional one as well. A lot of questions that I was asked when I decided to have weight loss surgery was, are you gonna change? Yeah, I'm not gonna be plus size anymore. No, your personality. Are you gonna change? So it's one of those things you need to discuss with your friends and family. Thing that I often see with men and women after weight loss surgery is the first person that comes along to tell them that they're beautiful, they settle for. You may have love at first sight after weight loss surgery. I'm not saying it doesn't, but you don't have to settle for the first one. Let's get more in depth with that. It's okay to be attracted to different bodies. Personally, my favorite color is black. Now, pink can't get offended because my favorite color is black. See what I mean? Bodies are sort of the same way. Maybe before weight loss surgery, you were with men or women who loved big, beautiful people, and they didn't mind you had a little extra on your body. Will that same person love you after? Who knows? The thing about love isn't just delegated to how you look, but sexual attraction can be. It's hard to be attracted to someone sexually that you don't find physically attractive. So that's why different bodies mean different things to different people. So after weight loss surgery, you start looking more like society's normal, right? So you probably are starting to get more attention from the opposite sex or the same sex. And what does that mean? But my partner loved me before. Will they still love me if I lose 200 pounds? The answer is almost always yes. You don't fall in love with someone just based on what they look like. Love is very complex. Well, you may not look like the same person they fell in love with. Likely, they're still gonna love you. Weight loss surgery makes you lose weight very fast, and having this brand new, hot new body is sometimes really weird. It's hard not to be offended by the people in our lives who suddenly materialize telling you how beautiful you are now when they weren't before. I remember a comment that I got was, wow, you're so pretty. I wasn't pretty before. I'm here to tell you you're pretty both ways. Doesn't matter what anybody else said. You were beautiful both ways. Now you're just a healthier version of yourself. RuPaul once said, ain't nobody gonna love you if you don't love yourself. So that's something I want you to keep in mind. Fall in love with yourself first. Look in the mirror, love your flaws, love your attributes that are amazing. Love everything about yourself. So when you present your new self to someone else, they're gonna fall in love with you too. There are a few rules when it comes to dating after weight loss surgery. Number one, drinking. Be careful. Alcohol affects us incredibly fast and differently than it did before. So even the most seasoned drinker, and I'm a Canadian, I can attest to this, can fall victim to too much alcohol too fast, or one sip of alcohol has you under the table. So be careful. Have a game plan. A first date is not the time you want this new person in your life to see you falling down drunk or passing out in a bathroom. And it can happen with only one drink. So be careful, have a game plan, have a way home, eat before you go, and stick to things that are a little bit safer. A glass of white wine is unlikely to make you extremely sick right off the bat, whereas a sugary cocktail or one of those blender drinks likely will. Have things like gin and water with lime juice or a vodka tonic. Things like that are a little bit safer. I advise people to stay away from beer as it's usually very high in carb, and that's not good for your diet. But it also can lead to a very hard dumping, so be careful with beer. Number two rule about dating after weight loss surgery. You don't have to disclose that you had weight loss surgery. This is not a secret that you need to be ashamed of, but it's also not something you have to tell every person you meet. It's your choice. If you decide to wear it on your sleeve, like, yes, I lost 256 pounds and you're proud, then by all means. But it is not something you have to share with everyone if you don't want to. Guess what? Regular people order salads at restaurants all the time. You don't have to account for what you're ordering and why. First date is also not the time to pull out your bariatric card to order off the kids menu. Just a tip. Rule number 3, Be choosy. This is your body. You don't have to settle. Just because you spent years hoping that this one guy or this one girl would be interested and now they are, if you feel like a kiss on a first date is too much, then you don't have to. These are new rules and this is a new you. Your body is yours. Respect yourself and your body at all times. End of story. Number 4, loose skin. Nobody cares. If someone wants to be intimate with you and you feel the same way, don't let a little loose skin make your beautiful moments incredibly awkward. There is nothing less sexy than someone who is insecure about their body when about to have sex. So learn to embrace your loose skin. Any man or woman who wants to take your clothes off doesn't care. That's it. I want to talk to the married folks out there. So you've seen the statistics. So many marriages fail after weight loss surgery and you wonder why. We love each other. We can make it through this. I'm just losing some weight. The emotional toll that it takes on married couples happens for a few reasons. Number 1, the person who has the weight loss surgery often finds newfound self-confidence and independence. They no longer feel like they need to be sheltered as much and they want to get out and see the world. The person who did not have weight loss surgery can have feelings of jealousy or inadequacy, especially if they're overweight themselves. They can be thrust into a new healthy lifestyle that they weren't prepared for. And they have to deal with feelings of, does she still love me? Does he still want to be with me now that they look like this? Communicate. That's the best thing you could do. Talk things through every single step of the way. I know several married couples who have gone through weight loss surgery together, or one has and the other has not, and they have managed to communicate and keep a happy, beautiful marriage, and that's incredible. For those of you who have weight loss surgery, you start to learn more about yourself. You love and fall deeper and deeper in love with yourself. And you realize maybe you married the wrong person. Maybe you settled. Maybe the overweight you didn't really take the time to be choosy. Stepping out of a marriage that doesn't work and saying, I'm sorry, I don't want to spend the rest of my life with you anymore. I'm here to tell you it's okay. Be honest with your partner and yourself, and it's okay. No one has to settle in their life for a life of unhappiness. You only get this life, so let's be happy and find the things that make us the happiest. Last but not least, dating after weight loss surgery. Where do I meet people? So these days, dating online is the biggest thing, right? Nobody has time to go hang around libraries or coffee shops waiting to meet someone. So if you're gonna date online, you don't have to make your gastric sleeve babe tutu your username. Like I said, you don't have to tell anybody. But there are definitely weight loss surgery communities out there that you may find someone going through the same things as you, which is really cool. You can bond on that level. A gym is also a great place to meet someone who has a healthy, active lifestyle, the same as you. So those are awesome options. But just be yourself. What attracts a potential mate the best? Confidence. So be confident and happy. Enjoy every moment of every day. You have taken steps to renew your life and extend it. What's not to be happy about? So there you have it. That's dating after weight loss surgery. Do you have any comments or any questions for me? Personally, I am in a very happy, committed relationship with someone who knew me both before I had weight loss surgery and now after. It's definitely been a communication journey, but you will find that person who makes you feel like the most beautiful, wonderful human being in the room. And that's how you know that's the one. Good luck out there.